Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's episode we have something really interesting. Don't mind my eyes look like they're about to fly away. I find it seriously look like wings. But in today's episode we're going to be reviewing a PR package that I got today. Actually, I mean, by the time you see it, it wouldn't be today, but you get my point. So I collected this from TT Post today. It came from Shop Kenzie Beauty. Now I'm not sure if you all are aware or would have remembered, but I do use products from Shop Kenzie Beauty. I use their lashes, I use their glitters, I even have their palette. Actually, I use the Shop Kenzie Beauty palette to create this eye look. So I wanted to do this unboxing with you guys, so we'd all be wowed and shocked and whatever have you together. Alright, so this is how it looks. It looks like I got lashes up in there. I'm not sure if y'all can see, but it definitely looks like lashes. Ooh. Okay. I want to pull out the card first. All right, so on this card it says, it's not how much we give, but how much love we put into giving. We do hope you enjoy your PR gift package. Be beautiful, be you with Kenzie Beauty. I think I'm definitely me with Kenzie Beauty, and I think this is so cute. Do you not like it? I love it. So we got lashes. So this is in the style Key Girl. I actually use this on clients. I love this lashes. I think it's for persons that like to wear lashes but they don't like lashes that are too dramatic. So this is definitely the lash that I put on clients. This is it. It has that, you know, that style of wisp, that extra oomph sticking out there. I also got an eyelash applicator. I love the color. It's rose gold. It says Kenzie Beauty on it. So I'm gonna use the eyelash applicator to hold the lashes so you guys see how the lashes look in detail. Next we have Lala. Now this is a local brand, people, so I urge, I encourage, I implore you to support your local brands. Okay, it's always good to give back to your own. This is Lala. I think this is also has a natural type of appeal to it, but just with style, and I think this would be great for persons who also like lashes but not too much. So you get your different style of lash, as well as you get the opportunity of having it to your liking. It's not too dramatic, it's not too long, but it's definitely fancy. Hello. If you guys notice, I do not have on any lashes, so I figured I would decide which one of these lashes I'm gonna put on with this look. Next we have MUAH. Now MUAH is saying, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake. If you see, you can see MUAH coming from around the corner. Now MUAH could be used for a lot of dramatic looks. Like if you're a person who like drama, MUAH is for you, honey. MUAH is not here to play. Next we have the mixed pack. Now with this mixed pack, I'm getting so many different styles. To be honest, I don't know how is it that I never picked up a mixed pack. I don't recall ever seeing it. It's probably always sold out, and I get it. So you have different styles for different moods, for different time of day, for different emotions, for different looks, for different wear. So, and I already seen one that I love. Oh my gosh, this is the mix pack. Also got their Bond Strip Lash Adhesive. It's a brush on, it's for stronghold, no irritation, it's hypoallergenic, it's latex free, and no formaldehyde. So we know for anybody who may have allergies or irritations, it does not contain these things, so it's completely safe. And you know, they have been consistent with their color scheme, so it's not hard to miss when you go to Superfarm or you go to Pennywise or any other brands that they retail to. I'm only saying Superfarm and Pennywise because that's where I know I've purchased them before. And they are cruelty free. Their products are cruelty free, so you don't have to worry about if it was tested on animals. They weren't, and we love that. We love that. Last but certainly not the least is a recent release from them. It's called their Bond Lash Liner. Now this is an adhesive liner, so you use it to line your eyes as well as you use it to apply your lashes. So it's a lash glue liner. It's a 2-in-1 lash glue and liner, which is latex free, cruelty free, zero magnets, zero dry time, and vegan. But that's it for the products. What I wanted to mention is that their products are premium lashes. It is reusable. Once you clean it with your rubbing alcohol or whatever other cleaning mechanisms that you have for your lashes, they are reusable. They are foam mink, so it looks beautiful, and it is cruelty free. Okay, so I definitely decided that I want to use something from in the mix pack because I've never used the mix pack before. I'm liking this one in the third row here. I'm liking these. It feels so good. I want to put on that. I'm definitely going to use their lash glue to apply the lashes. So we see how it works one time. I'm not just going to talk about it. I'm going to put on these eyelashes and be right back. Oh my god. Y'all seeing?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Yep.
Y'all seeing? Lashes is work wonders. Like, my eyes are now like it's so pretty, and yet still it's subtle. It doesn't say boom. You know when a juicy story starts here, say so boom now, blah 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 blah. The lash is not doing that. Thank you guys for looking at this review, and a huge thank you to Shop Kenzie Beauty for sending me this PR package. I love all the lashes, the lash glue, the lash applicator, as well as this new product, the lash glue liner. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try it. I really cannot wait to try it. If you'd like to see this in my next video, comment down below and let me know. If you like this review and you would like to see more reviews in the future, don't forget to like and let me know, comment, subscribe until my next one. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.